Hello student, welcome back to my channel Fair of Maths Atail Maza. In this video, we are going to see basics of quadratic equation for JEE Mains and Advanced. So let's start student, but before that don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.
Here we have quadratic equation, that is basic of quadratic equation. In today's lecture we are going to see basics of quadratic equation. So very first we are going to see definition of quadratic equation. What is quadratic equation? Now it is very simple. The equation, the general form of the quadratic equation is always ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is the general form of quadratic equation in which ABC are real numbers, and a is not equal to 0. Always remember student this condition, a is not equal to 0, it means a is non-zero. If a equals to 0, then this equation become linear equation. Therefore this condition is must, a is not equal to 0 and ABC are real numbers. Now here a is called the coefficient of x square and b is called the coefficients of x, where c is any constant number. So in short, this is the general form of quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Always remember the general form of quadratic equation. Now next, very important, relation between roots and coefficients. So we know that every quadratic equation has two roots. So here we consider two roots, that is number one, first root be alpha and second root be beta. Now we are going to define the relation between roots and coefficients. Very important point, relation between roots and coefficients. Always remember first relation, that is, it is very useful. You can solve 60% question from this relation. A plus b is always equals to minus b by a, that is coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. So here sum of the roots, you can say that the sum of the root, that is alpha plus beta, is always equals to minus b by a, that is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Then next, product of the roots. So here we write second relation, that is alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is always c by a, that is coefficient constant upon coefficient of x square. So always remember student, relation between roots and coefficients. So sum of the roots is minus b by a and the product of the root is always c by a. Now my next point is formation of a quadratic equation. How to find the quadratic equation, how to form quadratic equation. So its general form, always remember, with this relation we can form any quadratic equation, that is we have x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. Now with the help of this relation we can form any quadratic equation. Now see the nature of this equation. Very first we have x square minus sum of the roots. Here we take sum of the roots plus in last term we consider the product of the roots. Now to understand this relation we consider very simple example. So let we have to given two roots, that is 2 and 5, be two roots of the quadratic equation, and we have to form the quadratic equation. So roots are given. So here I am writing alpha equals to 2 and beta equals to 5. Now very first find alpha plus beta. So here alpha plus beta equals to 2 plus 5 equals to 10 equals to 7, and alpha into beta equals to 2 into 5 equals to 10. Now substitute these values in our relation. So we have x square minus 7x plus 10 equals to 0 be required quadratic equation. Be required quadratic equation. With the help of given roots, we can form any quadratic equation. I hope बच्चों you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Till then, bye.